I'm attorney Ben Long with RSH Legal. It's no surprise that slip and fall events can be dangerous. It's not unusual for someone to hit their head during a slip and fall. If you have recently fallen due to someone else's negligence and hit your head, you may have suffered a traumatic brain injury. A traumatic brain injury, or TBI, happens when the brain smashes against the inside of the skull. TBIs can happen even if you don't hit your head against something. If your body suffered a jolt, that can be enough to cause a concussion. Concussions are actually mild traumatic brain injuries. Even these mild TBIs can be problematic and can result in impairments that can last weeks, months, or even the rest of your life. Symptoms of a TBI include headache, nausea, dizziness, difficulty thinking clearly or remembering things, or slurred speech. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms after a slip and fall, see a doctor as soon as possible. There are a variety of causes of a slip or trip and fall that result in traumatic brain injuries. Ice or snow that makes sidewalks, parking lots, or stairs slippery. Uneven sidewalks or debris on walkways. Wet spots, grease, or even puddles. Falls that result in brain injuries can also happen at work. If your injury is serious, you may miss work. Sometimes, these types of injuries can mean you are no longer able to do the work you used to do. If you have suffered a brain injury after a slip and fall at work, you should report your injury to your employer within 90 days, or you may lose out on compensation for your injuries. If you find that you cannot return to work because of your brain injury, you may be entitled to Iowa workers' compensation benefits. If you suffered a brain injury due to someone else's negligence, then you should speak with an Iowa personal injury lawyer. Getting fair compensation for your head injury can often be a challenge. It can be difficult to prove that negligence, and not just an unfortunate accident, was the cause of your injury. An experienced Iowa personal injury attorney can analyze your case and find out whose negligence resulted in your injuries. We offer a free, no-obligation case evaluation with one of our knowledgeable personal injury attorneys. If you would like to speak with someone about your case, call RSH Legal at 1-800-433-0283.